Best travel drones. Are you looking for the best travel drones? In this video we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The DJI Mini 2 is an ultralight and foldable drone designed for both beginners and hobbyists. Weighing less than 249 grams, it is highly portable and does not require FAA registration in many regions. Despite its compact size, it packs impressive features, making it a versatile choice for aerial photography and videography. Equipped with a 12MP camera and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, the Mini 2 ensures smooth and stable footage. It captures 4K video at 30 frames per second with a bitrate of 100 megabits per second, delivering high-quality visuals. The drone's OcuSync 2.0 technology provides a reliable 10 km HD video transmission, ensuring strong connectivity and clear live feeds even in challenging environments. The 31-minute maximum flight time allows extended shooting sessions, while its wind resistance, up to level 5, ensures stable flights in breezy conditions. Quickshot modes, including drone, helix, rocket, circle, and boomerang, simplify capturing cinematic footage with just a tap. Additionally, the DJI Fly app provides intelligent editing tools, making it easy to create and share videos on the go. Safety features include a return-to-home function, GPS-based stability, and downward sensors for smooth landings. The Mini 2 is a versatile drone for casual users, travelers, and content creators who value portability, ease of use, and high-quality results without breaking the bank. Number 2. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI RC, with the Flymore Kit Plus is an advanced yet lightweight camera drone designed for beginners and enthusiasts seeking professional-grade performance. With a weight of under 249 grams, it's portable and user-friendly, offering enhanced capabilities without requiring FAA registration in many areas. The Mini 3 Pro features a 4K camera capable of shooting at 60 frames per second, coupled with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, enabling stunning image quality, vibrant colors, and impressive low-light performance. Its tridirectional obstacle sensing, forward, backward, and downward, enhances safety and flight stability, making it ideal for new users and complex environments. The Flymore Kit Plus includes 2 extra intelligent flight batteries, extending the total flight time to an impressive 94 minutes, allowing extended creative sessions without frequent recharging. Additionally, the drone supports features like Focus Track for precise subject tracking, Master Shots for automated cinematic sequences, and Panorama modes for wide-angle captures. The DJI RC remote controller with a built-in screen provides intuitive controls and eliminates the need for a smartphone, streamlining the flying experience. The Mini 3 Pro's compact foldable design makes it easy to carry, while its advanced features cater to creators who demand professional results. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, the DJI Mini 3 Pro offers a blend of portability, high-quality visuals, extended flight times, and safety features, making it a versatile drone for aerial photography and videography. Number 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a premium drone designed for professional-grade aerial photography and videography, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. Its standout component is the 4:3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, which delivers stunning image quality with natural color reproduction. It supports 5.1K video recording at 50 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 20MP still photos, making it ideal for cinematic projects and detailed photography. With an impressive 46-minute maximum flight time, the Mavic 3 allows for extended creative sessions, while the 15 km video transmission range via DJI's O3 Plus technology ensures reliable, high-definition live feeds even at great distances. The drone features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, using multiple sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions, providing an exceptionally safe flying experience. Additionally, the advanced auto-return function ensures the drone can navigate back to its takeoff point even in challenging scenarios. Compliant with FAA remote ID requirements, the Mavic 3 is ready for current and future regulatory standards. Its compact and foldable design adds portability, making it suitable for professional photographers, videographers, and adventurers. Whether you're capturing landscapes, creating cinematic videos, or conducting high-precision inspections, the DJI Mavic 3 offers unmatched image quality, extended flight time, advanced safety features, and long-range connectivity, setting a new standard in aerial drone technology. Number 4. The DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo is a versatile and compact drone designed for creators seeking high-quality aerial imaging and advanced features. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor captures exceptional 20MP photos in 5.4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals with excellent dynamic range, even in low light. The 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage for professional-grade results. Safety is a priority with 4 directional obstacle sensing, including forward, backward, upward, and downward sensors, enhancing flight stability and collision avoidance. This makes the Air 2S suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. The drone has a 31-minute maximum flight time, allowing ample time to capture creative shots, while the Fly More combo includes 2 extra batteries, extending flying sessions significantly. DJI's 12 km video transmission range with 1080p resolution provides reliable, high-quality live feeds for confident long-distance flights. Additional features like Mastershots, Focus Track, and QuickShots simplify capturing cinematic sequences, while the compact, foldable design makes it travel-friendly. The Fly More combo also includes essential accessories like extra propellers, a charging hub, and a carrying bag for convenience. The DJI Air 2S Fly More combo is an excellent choice for enthusiasts and professionals looking for a drone that combines advanced imaging, extended flight time, safety features, and portability. Number 5. The Parrot ANFI FPV drone set is a lightweight and foldable quadcopter designed for immersive aerial experiences and ease of use. Its compact build and portability make it ideal for travel and on-the-go adventures. The set includes FPV cockpit glasses 3, offering a first-person view, FPV, for thrilling and immersive flights, perfect for exploring landscapes or racing scenarios. The ANFI features a 4K HDR camera with a 180 degrees tilt gimbal, capable of capturing detailed stills and high-quality videos. The camera provides unique perspectives and smooth footage, supported by advanced stabilization technology. It also supports full HD live streaming, allowing users to share real-time footage with ease. The drone is designed for simplicity and versatility, with features like GPS-assisted flight, automatic return to home, and easy piloting through the Parrot FreeFlight 6 app. It offers a flight time of up to 25 minutes, giving ample opportunity to explore and capture creative shots. The comprehensive kit includes the drone, FPV goggles, controller, spare propellers, a USB-C charging cable, and a compact backpack for convenient storage and transport. Its lightweight design and foldability make it a practical choice for users who value portability. The Parrot ANFI FPV drone set is perfect for hobbyists and beginners who want an immersive flying experience and high-quality camera capabilities in a portable and user-friendly package.